Our mission was to investigate the different types of HVAC, evaluate which system would work best in the building, and make a recommendation to the board. We found that the ducted floor system, along with an encapsulated foundation, was the best option for HVACing the community house. The entire system can be placed in the crawl space with only floor registers that will match the wooden floor around the perimeter of the room, and wooden return grills on either side of the entrance to the main room, with the return ducts being housed in the two closets. Outside, you would see a foundational wall between the stone columns with an exterior that looked like parged walls painted brown to blend with the wooden logs. Two outside compressors would be placed on the south side of the building where shrubs could be planted to help hide them.